Hey everyone, so really quick one for you here. If you've been making a recipe and you've got some leftover puff pastry, hopefully you've been making one of mine, but if you haven't, I'll forgive you just this once. But you've got a couple of little bits left over. This is a really great little recipe for it. So cut them into like long kind of rectangles, and then you want to cover half of each with grated cheddar. Like so. Just enough to give a good covering. Then a little pinch of sweet paprika or sweet smoked paprika. Pinch a bit in each one. Little pinch of sea salt. Then we can fold them over. Just fold over, give a squeeze. You'll have bits sticking out the edge, doesn't matter. Squeeze that down. And then you just want to slice these probably in half. So you got in about 1.5 centimeters. Little lengths. Then give each one a good twist. Like so. There we go. Once they're done, grab yourself a baking tray, a little bit of baking parchment on it, pop those on. And if you've got leftover puff pastry, you're going to have some leftover egg wash. So give those a quick little egg wash on one side and then turn them over, do the same on the other. Again, any little bits of cheese you got left, just give it a little scatter, it'll stick to that egg. Be really nice. And there you go. Got your cheese twists into the oven, 180 degrees for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20. Give them a look after 15. Once they're nice and golden, pop them out. Delicious. Okay, perfect. They've been in there now for about 18 minutes. Some time cooling and they are done. So you can just pop them on a plate, sit down with a nice glass of something, munch away. These things are really, really simple and really, really delicious. Cheesy, smoky, lovely. Catch you next time. Cheers.